Today being 12th March 2026, they are doing 1 million march protest for Masano Nnamdi Kanu, and the Sowore is live now in Abia State doing the protest for the release of Masano Nnamdi Kanu. You can see the protest going on right now. As I'm talking to you, they are doing heavy protest in Abia State. Sowore is there. Masano Nnamdi Kanu brother is there. They are doing heavy protest right now in Abia State for the release of Masano Nnamdi Kanu.
Yeah, it's happening again. I heard the mad people are doing their 1 million man march in Aba, and the Sahara reporters, of course, as usual, since Sowore has decided to make himself a willing tool in the hands of anyone that wants to ruin an Igbo, they are there broadcasting. But I want to tell you people, just leave it there in Aba and Abia State. Since Alex Oti has decided to embrace the terrorists and you people from Abia, please come and carry the rest of the bingos here in Imo State, because you go buy all of them. Since you've decided to make Abia a heaven for criminality, for all these for all these terrorists that have destroyed Osu Ituku. And Sowore, please, why don't you take your camera to Osu? Why don't you take your camera to Osu and see people suffering? You are there pretending to be the new savior of Ndi Igbo. All the Igbo people that are working, they are the ones you are attacking, pretending to love us. This Biafra nonsense, why don't you take it to Ondo State? Nnamdi Kanu said Ondo is part of Biafra. Why not do the million man march in Ondo? You won't, because you don't want their criminality. You know they are criminals, you know they are evil. Your job now is to target all the Igbos with prospects. You are now using them, using an attack on Igbo to divide Igbo with this type of terrorism. May what Nnamdi Kanu did to people in Osu not depart from your family. You Sowore, I'm talking to you. Yes. May their evil not depart from your household. You fake activist. You are there covering them instead of other things you could be covering. Why don't you take your camera to Osu Ituku and see the damage they did there? Bring your camera crew. I will guarantee their safety. I will take them there. Let them go and speak to the victims of Nnamdi Kanu and his IPOP ESN. You've not done that. Yours is to come and be pretending to be loving Igbo. The other day, it was Princess Nkiru Kanwode who saved Chibike Ekwueme from being killed. You are there accusing Tiger Base of buying innocent people, and without showing any evidence of a single innocent person that was by at Tiger Base. But you've seen a sacked police officer that is in jail, sacked before, that tried to buy somebody in custody with evidence. Even the person involved is there. He is there. Chibike Ekwueme. I can send you the phone number of Chibike Ekwueme. You interview him and hear what Nnamdi Daniel Eme did to him and how he tried to buy him, steal his Mercedes, and he has already taken millions of dollars away from his bank account until his account officer stopped it. But here you are now, going there to cover their nonsense million man march. You people should reserve it in Abadia. Abia State. Any of you that comes to do it in Imo State will be recycled. Are you hearing me? Any of you that brings that nonsense to Imo State, and those of you that are saying you are planning rally, come and rally in Imo State. Let us. Make sure you give us a notice that you are going to do your useless Nnamdi Kanu rally in Imo State. Give us the location. If any of you go back, no, say I be fool. Come and do it in Owerri or let us see. Very useless set of people. Keep marching. The blood of the innocent people they wasted in Imo State shall forever cry in your families. Akwa mankusi bebe na family nini. Very useless set of people.